Good. So today we are going to do a digital donut chart. So I'll start by doing a small table which has done in pending, which is the balance of the done. So target is 100%. So 20 and then 1 minus the balance. You give that and then you go to the donut. You select and then you clear all the legends in the axis. You want to remain with a clean chart. Then here we are going to reduce the donut size. Then we're going to change the format. Oh, this is good. Then we can now start readjusting. Then we select the done series. Then we are going to increase its border from 1 to maybe 7. That's perfect. Then we can test again. Then we're going to get the score from the table like that. Perfect. We can change this to another color. Nice. That's all that. Thanks.